Hey, I brought something for you.
For me? What is it?
Donuts. I remembered you like sweet things.
Oh, that's very kind of you.
I wasn't sure which one you like, so I bought a few.
Thank you. They look nice.
You don't have to eat now. We can just sit.
I like sitting like this. It feels calm.
You've been very quiet today.
Yeah, I'm thinking about many things.
Good things or difficult things?
A little of both. Life feels busy.
I know that feeling. Sometimes my thoughts feel heavy.
English feels heavy sometimes too.
Yes, especially when we try too hard.
I worry about making mistakes.
Mistakes are okay. They mean you're learning.
I hear that a lot, but it's hard to believe.
Let's practice something easy. No pressure.
Okay, something very easy.
I am drinking coffee.
I am drinking coffee.
Perfect.
My turn?
Yes,
There are donuts on the table.
very good sentence.
It feels nice when it's simple.
Simple English is strong English.
Do you study English every day?
Not every day, but I try to listen every day.
Listen to what?
Podcasts and slow conversations like this.
I like this kind of practice.
You can take a donut if you want.
Maybe later. I'm enjoying the coffee first.
Take your time.
Thank you for being patient with me.
Always. Learning is not a race.
I feel less nervous now.
That makes me happy.
Let's practice again tomorrow.
I'd like that.
Same place?
Same place. Maybe different donuts.
Deal.
We're doing well. Little by little.
Yes. Little by little.
Hi, Emma. You look very happy today.
Hi, Ben. Yes, I feel really good.
Oh? Why do you feel so good?
I had a very nice day. Everything went well.
That's great to hear. Tell me about your day.
Well, I finished my work early. Then I met a friend.
Nice. What did you do together?
We talked and laughed a lot. We also had coffee.
That sounds fun. I like days like that.
What about you, Ben? How was your day?
My day was okay. I worked in the morning. In the afternoon, I rested.
Rest is important. You look more relaxed now.
Yes. Sitting here feels nice.
I like this room in the evening. The light is warm.
Yes. It feels comfortable and quiet.
Do you want some tea? I can make it.
Yes, please. That would be great.
Okay, I'll make it now. Here you go. Be careful, it's hot.
Thank you, Emma. It smells good.
I'm glad you like it. Tea is good in the evening.
Yes. It helps me relax.
Can we practice English together now?
Really? Sure, I'd like that.
Let's start with an easy sentence. I am happy at home.
I am happy at home.
Very good.
Can I try another one?
Yes, of course.
It is evening, and I feel relaxed.
That's a great sentence. Very clear.
Thank you. I feel more confident now.
You are doing very well. Practice helps a lot.
I like learning English with you. It feels easy.
I like it too. We can learn together.
Yes. One step at a time.
Exactly. No rush.
This is a good evening.
It really is.
Let's practice again tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow evening.
Deal. Wow. There are many boxes here.
Yes. Too many boxes.
Moving is hard work.
It is. But it's also exciting.
Are you tired?
A little. My legs feel tired.
Sit down for a moment. You can rest.
Thank you. That's kind of you.
No problem. I'll sit too.
I brought some lemonade. Would you like some?
Yes, please. I'm thirsty.
Here you go. It's cold.
Thanks. That's very nice.
Do you like the new place?
Yes, it feels warm and bright.
I think so too.
This room gets a lot of light.
Yes, I like the window.
It feels peaceful here.
We still need to unpack.
Yes, many boxes are still closed.
We can do it slowly.
Which box should we open first?
Maybe the kitchen box. I want to make tea later.
Good idea.
Moving makes me a little nervous.
Really? Why?
Everything is new. New rooms, new sounds.
I feel that too. New things can be scary.
But you are here. That helps.
I'm glad. We can help each other.
Yes, together is better.
Can we practice English now?
Now? Okay.
Let's say a simple sentence. I am sitting on the floor.
I am sitting on the floor.
Very good.
My turn. We are in our new home.
That's a great sentence.
I feel proud.
You should. Your English is good.
Let's keep learning here.
Yes. One box at a time.
One box and one sentence at a time.
Exactly.
Are you ready to unpack again?
Yes. After one more drink.
Deal.
This is a good start.